Did a couple of little things to the Harley today. One is I pulled the seat and installed a load ballast module for the turn signals so that I could put LED bulbs in it, and I replaced the regular bulbs with LEDs. And I'll turn on the flashers. Let's see. Where are they? Push the both buttons. There you go. That gives you the LEDs for the two amber ones. Front and rear, of course. So now we're all LEDs, and then I added that. Yay! That package of stuff came today. So now, there. That looks more. That looks pretty cool. So I got my iron butt patch thing, and I got the mud flap. It's supposed to be a license plate frame, but I just zip tied it there and here. If you look up inside there, you see there's just I just kind of stuffed it up in there. Makes a nice little mud flap because I already had a license plate frame here. That's me. Who would have thought? You're too tall to be a submarine guy. Yeah, never heard that before. Anyways, good times. Want a great deal on a Honda? Let me know. Got one.